June 2013, question 5b and c. Having done the trapezium rule in part A, it now moves on to ask us about transformations. So in part B, we have to be a bit careful. What we're doing now is we're transforming from y equals the square root of 8x cubed plus 1, and we're going to y equals the square root of x cubed plus 1. Now, with all transformations, we want to see what's changed. Well, what's changed here was here we've got 8x cubed, and here we've only got x cubed. We need to look at how that's changed. You would either be replacing x or replacing y. So we've got to think what's happened to x. Well, in the first one, it's times by an 8, but there's also a cubed. So before we do anything, we need to rewrite that. So that's 2x all cubed, because 2 cubed is 8. This now lets us see what's happened to x. Well, x has gone from 2x to being just an x. Okay. If it involves multiplying by a number, we know that's a stretch. If it's a stretch and the x has changed, then we know that's in the x direction or parallel to the x-axis. So the only thing we need to work out now is the scale factor. So what's happened is 2x has gone to x. In order to do that, we've multiplied by half. So this helps us find our scale factor. We've multiplied by a half. Remember, the scale factor is the reciprocal of the number it's been multiplied by. So in this case, it's a scale factor of 2. Now we're looking at transformations in part C, translations in part C. Part C, the first thing that happens if they've translated a curve. So when we're doing our translations, what's going to happen is we've translated by 2 in the x direction, so it's 2 to the right. That means we need to replace x with x minus 2. X minus 2 cubed plus 1. You need to put brackets in. Whenever you replace something that's got a power, it's usually the x term, you must put brackets to make sure we get that correct. Now it's been translated in the y direction by negative 0.7. That means that y gets replaced with y plus 0.7. Well, the alternative way of writing that is y is the square root of x minus 2 cubed plus 1, and move the negative 0.7 to that side. So we've done the translation. The thing you need to be careful with here is the question was find the value of g of 4. So make sure you answer the question and don't forget to do everything. So all that means that the new curve is the equation y is g of x. Right, so g of x is everything that we've worked out here. And all we have to do now is substitute 4 into that. So g4 is the square root of 4 minus 2 cubed plus 1, take away 0.7. And if we work all that out, you get the answer 2.3.